Welcome to Trading Kernel Stack. This is actually a new series, and my name is Tony. We'll be taking you through everything you need to do in order to start your journey in automated trading. Alright, so the first thing we're going to be doing right now is signing up to a Forex broker. Alright, so if you have been watching my videos, you're going to know that I use Alpari. Alright, this is a regulated Forex broker, and we're just going to sign up here. The link is alpari.org. I'm going to be adding this link in the description. For those of you who don't have an account, you can actually sign up here. All right, it's an international broker, as you can see. So I'm just you can actually already signed up, so I'm just going to log into my broker. All right, so I'm just going to log in here. So we are currently logged into Alpari right now. Remember, when you get signed up, you have to do some sort of verification using your ID card, your proof of address, and you also have to fill out a consent acceptance form. So once you're done with that, you're going to get a review of your account, and hopefully your account will be activated. But that wouldn't restrict you from using the demo account at the onset, right? So you can basically use a demo account. So you can see on the left of the dashboard, it says my account. This is where you could actually open a new account or have an overview of the previous account you've opened. You can also see my money, which you can deposit funds, you can withdraw funds, you can also transfer money between your accounts. You can have a list of your transfers, and you can also view the conversion rates. Right, so here are some of the conversion rates for Alpari here, and you can see their conversion rates from Euro to USD and GBP, and then the rest of that. Right, so you can see the difference between the deposit and the withdrawal rate isn't really much. Right, you can see that there. So guys, let's proceed here to look at the platforms. You can see the platforms here. We have the platforms MT4, MT5, and we also have a web trader, right? And we also have a copy trade on Alpari. So Alpari copy trade is more like a plan. Let's say you have a very good Forex trading strategy and you want to make more money off it, right? So you can actually sign up to Alpari copy trade, where people will have to copy trade your accounts and pay you a percentage of the profits, usually around 30 to 40% or 20%, or how much ever you want to charge, right? It all depends on your strategy. And also for the documents here, you can see the documents for the verification section, my profile, promotion and contents, and they also have a client support section as well. Right, I also recommend that you go to their education portal to understand everything about how their plan works and everything. All right, so that's for the education side of things. Let's proceed to the my account section. All right, so we're going to click on open new account here. All right, and there are 4 kinds of accounts here. We have the live account. We'll have the live account for Alpari copy trade. All right, so in case you want to become a strategy manager and earn with copy trading, you could actually click on here to open an account. Right, for this they have a minimum deposit of I think $1,000, and for the live account you could actually start with how much ever is recommended. All right, but in this case we are going to be opening a demo account here. Right, we have a demo account that says apply your trading knowledge and the rest of that, and we also have an investment account, right, in case you want to invest in someone's copy trading, like someone else was supposed to do with yours. You could actually open an investment account here. Right, and this case we'll be opening a demo account because we're just starting out into Forex trading and we don't want to rush things. Right, so we're just going to click on open demo account here, and once we've done that, it's going to come up a portal here. It's going to say open demo account, and the first thing it's going to say is account type. Right, so what kind of account would you want to create? All right, there are 4 types of accounts here. We have the standard MT4 demo, we have the ECN MT4 demo, we have the ECN MT5 demo, and we have the Pro MT4 demo. All right, in this case we would go with the ECN MT4, right, because we are going to install the MT4 platform and also trade on the MT4 platform as well. Right, so in this case we're going to go with the MT4 demo, and the reason why we are going with the ECN MT4 demo is because with the ECN MT4 demo we get to pay commissions per trade, where we tend to get lower spreads. All right, average between about 1 to 3, and hopefully in the next videos we're going to be looking at more international brokers in order to compare and contrast between the spread and other parameters that are very important and vital for forex trading. All right, so the standard MT4 demo is basically an account where you don't get to pay commissions. All right, but in this case you get higher spreads. All right, so we're going to go with ECN MT4 demo, and the next thing here is the account currency. All right, this is as important as everything else. You're planning to get started with forex trading, you're going to be trading with any of these currencies. Right, there has to be a high probability that the currency you're going to be trading with is going to perform strongly relative to your local currency. All right, so let's say for example you're going to be trading with the USD and your local currency is the euro, or there has to be a high probability that the USD is going to perform more strongly than the euro. It doesn't make sense to have 100,000 euros and then convert that money into USD, and after trading for a while you actually convert the money back to euros and it was actually lower than the money you started with. And I must say here, the most used account currency is the USD. Right, this is because it helps makes calculations easier, trading calculations, trading functions easier to comprehend. All right, so if you'd like to go for the USD, then you should. All right, so for the leverage, 1:50 simply means for every dollar you have in your accounts, you could borrow up to $50. All right, for the 1:25 means for every dollar you have in your account, which means you could borrow up to $25. Right, and that goes the same up to the $1,000 account. Right, so you can see this is actually more like a trap. Right, so I recommend you using the lowest leverage because in every scenario you don't have to borrow funds. Right, using a percentage of your risk should be fine and okay. Right, you shouldn't have to use a high leverage, right, because you could actually make more profits in one case, and in the case which has a higher probability due to your trading costs and your spread, you could actually also lose money. Right, so for the leverage I recommend you using a low leverage. Right? In this case we're going to use 1:25, and for the trading account password you could actually suggest a password here. Suggest a password and that works. And then when it comes to the initial balance, guys, always ensure to use an amount that you could actually afford. All right, this isn't a joke. Using a $1 million account or $2 million account when you obviously can't afford that doesn't make sense. All right, if you're going to be trading, you need to ensure that you actually use an amount on demo which you can actually afford to trade and lose as well. All right, so in this case you could be using $1,000, you could be using $10,000. That depends on you. Right, so in this case you're going to be using $1,000 to trade. Right, just going to click on open account. All right, so you can see that the account has currently been created, and in the next video we're going to be downloading the platform where we're going to connect these accounts, and then we're going to do a lot. All right, so I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.